Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, and here we will present to you about our project, which is well architecture implementation of SOC7. Here, I will present to you about our manager project. Thank you, Mrs. Presti Vidasari, as our manager project. And for the project member itself, I will present to you. There is myself as the project leader, Hamo Amizukimi, and there is Leandro Pratama Putra, Raisa Muntazah, Elvira Chandra, Stephen Julaino, and Arya Dirang. And for the definition of our project itself is the architecture implementation refer to the good design and implementation of security information and which is a system that collect, monitor, and analyze security data from various sources of within the IT security. Its primary purpose is to detect threat, respond security incident, and help meet the audit and compliance needs. The project aims to implement a well-architected solution to enhance the security monitoring capability of an organization, ensuring a real-life event tracking and incident response, and lastly, data integrity.
So here is our network topology. So the flow is the user will be able to access web server under the Nginx load balancer through network address translator, also going through the PFM router, which with additional security measures such as firewall and access control list. And for the rest areas, including database server, CM, and backup server, it will only be accessible to admin within the area of VPN, which serves as additional security layers. And for the database server, we use MySQL as the main query language, and here are our CM as our main SLT system, and we use TrueNAS for our backup system. And here we configure things so that it can alert, and it will eventually alert the admin if there's quite any incident or vulnerabilities detected.
Okay, so this is the interface of our web server, and these are our databases. We are using two types of databases. The first one is uses PHP and the second one is Redis. Next.
Okay, our next project output is well architecture, where there are four components. The first is Wazoo server to monitoring network activity and detect potential threat. The second is Iris, used to efficiently mitigate and respond to detect attack. The third is Grafana, used to provide real-time visualization of network activity, drop interactive dashboard. The last is OpenCTI server, serve as provide threat warning obtained, one of which is from integration with Wazoo. The next is our backup server. We use the TrueNAS, a reliable open source platform for storing and protecting data. Its features include the first is storing copies of critical data from web server and database server. The second is disaster recovery for rapid recovery in the event of system failure or attack.
This project was started from August 2024 until January 2025, starting with preparation and revision of the lesson plans as well literacy for this project, then doing topology design, server routing, VLAN implementation, application installation such as Wazoo, Grafana, Laravel, Docker, and other. And then SOC implementation and website feeder such as login, register, and chat, followed by security improvement through SSL TLS, digital certificate, and website design update. The project was completed in January 2025 with the project report, annual goals, poster, presentation, and documentation as the output. Next, the constraint of this project was start with difficult in integration log, complex configuration on the website implementation, and wireless fidelity lagging at the working space.
Alright, for the task distribution in this project, we have three key roles. The web developer is responsible for developing the application and ensuring smooth functionality. The database engineer takes care of designing and managing the database system. And the network administrator handle the infrastructure and network security. Moving forward, our focus will be on completing the final documentation and user guide, and also preparing for final testing and the project presentation. We are excited to move forward and deliver a successful outcome. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.